How are you all? I hope you all are fantastic. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 9, that is our house, the place where we live with our family. So let's begin with this lesson, our houses. So you have to label the parts of the house. Here is a diagram, and with the help box you have to label the part of the house. This is the roof. And what is this? This is window. And what is this? This is door of the house. And what is this? This is the wall of the house. Now here in this lesson we are going to study about the needs of a house. की क्या-क्या needs होती हैं घर की? Then we are going to study about types of houses. After that we are going to study our rooms in a house. Then temporary houses, and the last we are going to talk about animal house, a place where animal lives. So let's start. So we all need a house to live in. We all need a house to live in. हम सबको एक घर चाहिए होता है रहने के लिए. A house protect us from heat, cold, rain and storms. एक हाउस हमें किससे बचाता है? हीट से बचाता है, कोल्ड से बचाता है, रेन से बचाता है एंड स्टॉर्म से बचाता है. It also protect us from wild animals and thieves. ये wild animals से और thieves से भी बचाता है. We enjoy and feel safe in our house. हम enjoy करते हैं और safe feel करते हैं अपने घर में. A house has many parts. एक घर के बहुत सारे parts होते हैं. So here is the picture of the house, and you live with your family in a house. This is a sweet home. Now let's talk about the types of house. Kacha house, pakka house. So here there are two main types of houses. So here there are two main types of houses, kacha houses and pakka houses. Kacha houses क्या होता है? Like huts that are found mostly in villages or in the roads of the villages. And what a pakka house? The house made of bricks. The house made of bricks, cement, steel. So that is a pakka house. What are kacha houses? The house that are made of mud and bushes. So here, kacha houses are made of mud, bamboo, straw and dry leaves. Mud से bamboo से और dry leaves की पत्तियों से बनते हैं. Such houses are not strong. ये houses strong नहीं होते. Rain होती है, जब thunderstorm होता है, ये खराब हो जाते हैं. They are also called huts. इन्हें हम huts भी कहते हैं. Huts are mostly found in villages. ये कहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिलती है हमें? Villages में देखने के लिए मिलती है. Now let's talk about pakka house. Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, wood and iron. ये किससे बनी हुई होती है? Bricks से बनती है, cement से बनती है, wood से and iron से बनती है. They are very strong. ये बहुत strong होते हैं. Pakka houses are found in towns and cities. कहाँ पे मिलते हैं ये हमें देखने के लिए? Towns में और cities में ये बहुत commonly देखने को मिल जाते हैं. Bungalows and apartments are examples of pakka house. तो bungalows होते हैं हमारे apartments. क्या है? Pakka house के examples हैं. You know, a very tall multi-storied building is called a skyscraper. जो multi-storied building होती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? तो बहुत बड़ी skyscraper कहते हैं. It has many floors. उसमें बहुत सारे floors होते हैं. Every floor has an independent house called flats. हर floor का एक independent house होता है जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Flats कहते हैं. Many families live in multi-storied building. Multi-storied building में बहुत सारी families रहती है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारे houses होते हैं. Now let's talk about rooms in a house like kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, drawing room, study room. So a good house has many rooms. एक अच्छे घर में बहुत सारे कमरे होते हैं. These rooms have different uses. ये जो रूम होता है इनके different uses होते हैं. So ये जो रूम होते हैं इनके different uses होते हैं. Like we sleep in the bedroom. हम कहाँ सोते हैं? bedroom में सोते हैं. आप कहाँ रेस्ट करते हो? bedroom में करते हो. We take bath in the bathroom. Mother cooks food in the kitchen. Where does your mother cook food? In the kitchen. We take meals in the dining room. We sit and talk in a drawing room. We study in the study room. So, here, now let's talk about temporary house. The people live in the houses in which people live for some time only, or like while traveling, like while camping, they use tents. So, some people live in temporary houses. कुछ लोग temporary houses में रहते हैं. These houses keep on changing their place. जो houses होते हैं, जो घर होते हैं, अपना place change करते रहते हैं. Some people live in houseboats. Houseboats floats on water. कुछ लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? Houseboats में रहते हैं. कहाँ float करती है? Water पे float करती है. They are mostly found in Kashmir, Kerala. Some people live in caravans. A caravan moves on wheels. ये किससे move करती है? Wheels पे move करती है. In cold places, some people live in igloos. जो cold places में होते हैं, लोग igloos में रहते हैं. Ice blocks से बनता है. An igloo is made up of ice blocks. Some people live in canvas. कुछ people canvas में रहते हैं. Bills tanks जो होते हैं. A tent can be rolled up easily rolled up हो जाता है ये. इन्हें हम easily carry कर सकते हैं. Now let's talk about animal homes. Animals also need homes or shelter. Animals को भी चाहिए होता है, घर भी चाहिए होता है, उन्हें shelter भी चाहिए होता है. We build homes for domestic animals. हम क्या करते हैं? अपने domestic animals के लिए घर बनाते हैं, अपने pet animals के लिए घर बनाते हैं. The wild animals build homes on their own. जो wild animals होते हैं, अपना घर वो खुद से बनाते हैं. So a cow lives in a shed. कौन बनाता है? Human being बनाते हैं shed को. A horse live in a stable. कौन बनाता है? ये भी ह्यूमन बीइंग बनाते हैं. A dog live in a kennel. Dog kennel में रहता है. A hen live in a coop. And coop में रहती है. A lion lives in a den. Den में रहता है वो. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit burrow में रहता है. A fish captain है. Fish कहाँ रखी होती है? Captain है. Aquarium. A spider makes a web. A bird makes a nest. So these are the houses of the animals. That's all for this lesson. I hope you all liked the explanation of the houses. So see you in the next lesson, kiddos.